Hello students, I hope you have done the first equation of motion, which was velocity time relation. Now today we will do the other two equations of motion, which are position time relation and position velocity relation. Sure. So I am not wasting much time. Let us start. Give the heading. Second relation is position time relation. This is our second equation of motion. We have to draw the velocity time graph again for deriving this equation of motion. On x-axis we have taken time in seconds. On y-axis we have taken velocity in meter per second. This was our initial velocity, A point. This was our initial velocity, U. This is our origin, A to B यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन. B पॉइंट पे पहुंच के उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी हो गई थी, V वेलोसिटी. It reaches here in time t. This is also representing time t. This was point B, C. This was D, and this was point E. In order to find or derive this position time relation, we have to find out the area of this whole figure. इस पूरे का हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, एरिया. स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी दैट दिस फिगर इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल एंड दिस ट्राइंगल. यानी कि इसमें एक रेक्टेंगल है, एक ट्राइंगल है. दोनों का एरिया निकाल के अगर ऐड कर देंगे तो हमारे पास इसका टोटल एरिया आ जाएगा. सो दिस होल विल बी आवर डिस्प्लेसमेंट विच इज इक्वल टू S. This will be equal to area of what? OABD. Area of OABD. इस पूरे का हमें एरिया पता करना है. This area will be the sum of, किसका सम है ये? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल कौन सा? OACD. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल OACD प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. So area of rectangle, what is the formula of area of rectangle? This is length into breadth. So this is our breadth and this is our length. So length is OD. This is our length and OA will be our breadth. OD into OA plus area of triangle. What is area of triangle? It is 1/2 half into base into height. Base is what? This is AC into height is BC. Now BC was, as BD was V and this was U. ये हमारा क्या आया था? V minus U. You can check your notebooks also. OD into OA. Now OD value is T. Multiply OA value is U plus half into AC. AC is again T and BC representing change in velocity. This is V minus U. Now if you have remember that A acceleration is equal to V minus U upon T. इसके इक्वल था. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे जब, so A into T will be equal to V minus U. तो V minus U की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? A into T. Put the value here. U into T will become UT plus half into t into v minus u की वैल्यू 80. So s will be equal to ut plus half 80 को जब t से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 80 square. So this is our position time relation which we have derived. Note it down. Now we will do third relation, which is position velocity relation. Give the heading position velocity relation. We have done till now velocity time, position time, now position velocity. In this case we again have to find out this area, but this time we will find out by applying the formula of area of trapezium. This is a trapezium. I am drawing this here. This is a kind of this trapezium in which these are the two parallel sides, which is OA and BD. These are the two parallel sides, and this is the distance between parallel side, OD. So let us find out this will be S will be equal to area of trapezium. Which trapezium? OABD. So area of trapezium OABD. This was the unit of velocity, meter per second. So area of trapezium OABD. What is the formula of area of trapezium? This is half into sum of parallel sides multiply, I am writing here, you will have to write there, distance between parallel sides. So half into sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? These are OA and BD. So sum of parallel side means OA plus BD into distance between parallel side. So distance I have already told you, this is the distance OD. Now we have to just put the values. OA is what? OA is U plus BD. This whole is representing the final velocity V into OD. OD is representing the time. So into T. Now again we have to go to our first relation. Our first relation was acceleration is A is equal to V minus U by T. Cross multiply V minus U by A. A will go in denominator, T will come here. So T की वैल्यू हमें पता लग गई V minus U upon A. Put the value of T in this expression. U plus V into T is what? V minus U upon A. After that, rearranging this expression, I can write V plus U, this is all numerator, into V minus U upon 2 into A will become 2A into S. Rest of the expression I am doing here. As you can see students, A plus B into A minus B will become A square minus B square. So this will become, because A was V, so A square minus B square, B was U. So A plus B into A minus B will give you this, and cross multiplying here 2A into S. This is our position velocity relation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. These three relations are very important. I hope you have noted this down, and this explanation will be helpful to you if you find this video useful and if you like this video lecture, then press the like button, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, subscribe now. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest notification of my upcoming video lectures. Thank you.